also have the soldier pharma this time for B pharma candidates, and thereafter they can apply from that site itself, and on their mail ID they will be given the admit card, and the rally itself will be conducted at Ratnagiri Shivaji Sports Stadium, where they can reach on the particular date which will be allotted to them with the requisite documents. Would like to warn the candidates not to fall into any agent's trap or dalals who will try to promise them job. The Indian Army in any manner does not allow, approve or have any agents. Next year, instead of asking people of Goa to come to even Ratnagiri or other places, they will be asked to come to, we'll come to Goa and have a rally for 3 days where opportunities will be provided.
वायुसेनेचे भरती रॅलीक गोंयच्यान 50 जाण सिलेक्ट जाले ही खंय बरी गजाल. भारतीय सेनेक गोंयकारांचो प्रतिसाद वाडटा.
Air Force rally, 50 youths have been selected for the first time.
In
Last month Air Force rally, so 50 youths have been shortlisted.
From all over Goa.
Out of 1100 people participated, 50 people got selected.
Which is a very
Goa only Goa.
That is a great thing. So you will find that
Which was not even 5 earlier. Now this is 50 students have got qualified.
NCC कॅडेट आणि खेळगड्यांक परीक्षेत बोनस मार्क असतात. चलयांनी लष्करात येवचे म्हूण उलो.
the NCC cadets, again, because they have been provided training and they have this system of A, B and C. So for the written exam, the NCC cadets with the C certificate are totally exempt from writing the exam. Even for sportsmen at the university level, at the district level who have scored first or second position, at the state level who are participated, and at the national level, again they get bonus marks. Tell you that opportunities for women candidates is also opened up. We have the military police in which the women candidates in the rank of Jawans are being now recruited. The process has, one iteration has just completed, and this is the awareness where we want able-bodied ladies.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.